Something up. Yeah. Start engine, press continue. Oh man.
So take a little video, man. Cruise.
Alright, well everything's going through so far, so I don't think I see any problems.
Hell yeah, man. You can use the pedal shifters if you want, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude, what's cool about this one is that once you tap it, it's already in manual.
Oh, nice.
Right, you're back in the auto, you gotta press and hold the top one. Just press and hold it, and then it puts it back in the auto.
Cool.
Yeah, so it's a cool feature. I like that.
This is definitely the most rowdy Jeep I've ever been.
Yeah.
So immediately already start. You can just hear that 6.4.
Yeah.
Perfect. This is actually kind of recalibrating quick. It's already almost at 20%.
Oh, okay.
It's recalibrating the camera or the radar.
That's it. Yeah.
It's a little bit of both.
Man.
I've had cars take me like too long to recalibrate. One time I had a car take me an hour. I mean, it was these don't usually take that long. These usually take maybe like 15 minutes or something, 15-20 minutes. Yeah, one time there was this car that would not recalibrate.
Yeah.
It was like 15, or it was like 45 minutes, and it just be ridiculous.
Dang.
I barely even gave it any gas.
No, man. Wait till you're gonna have to put it down at least.
Sounds good too. I haven't even gotten on it yet.
No. Yeah. So see, man, all you see Jeeps, man. You don't see one of these anywhere.
You can just tell somebody hood scoop.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
You see the hood scoop at all?
Yeah.
I know there's something in there for sure.
But now you see they kind of threw it off when they put them on all the gladiators. So gladiators have it too. But when you see it, got them dead. It's like,
There we go. All went through, so.
oh, I know. This is a nice trail here too. Walk this trail once.
This is good donut train.
Yeah.
Man, I bet you love hearing that sound every
Yeah,
day.
that's what I'm saying, dude. I know it. Oh, yeah.
That's funny. That's cool.
Man, it is pretty badass.
Ooh, all the little lights went on, so.
Scratch your phone on that. We can sit right here.
Okay, for sure. Okay, so what's the.
So right here, so then, yeah, so when you
So
start.
how do you set
Yeah,
the
so when
control?
you start going, you'll hit this button right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then you'll hit this here and then hit set. So
Oh, okay.
this is regular cruise control, but this is the adaptive cruise.
okay.
So you hit this and then hit set, and then it'll, yeah.
So hit this and hit set.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
yeah. That's what I had to figure
This
out,
would be the
dude.
perfect way to do it
Yeah,
right
yeah.
here.
Yeah. Well, go ahead and put it down right here for a second. Just push it all the way to the floor. Yeah. Push it all the way to the floor. Push it.
This thing's nice.
Oh, dude.
That thing.
That's what I'm saying.
Whoa.
Yeah, dude, it's a Jeep, dude.
Man, no one would ever. If honestly, I've never seen a 392. I still wouldn't even think of anything until you actually got on.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Man, this thing would put down a lot of
That's
other.
what I'm saying. I know, dude, just be like a little sleeper. You know what I mean?
Pretty
No,
much,
no.
yeah. Because no one ever just thinks, oh, it's just a Jeep. Oh, no, I got a scat pack motor in this sucker. Oh man, that's nice.
Yeah, man. Makes it for a good day,
I'm going
man.
like 50 and I look down, what was going on? Like, oh,
Yeah, so I mean,
it's really hitting
yeah,
that motor. This is definitely going to be a collector's thing one day.
Yeah.
After all this electric stuff, this is going to be one of those cars. Like, I want one of these.